Hi and welcome to Cakes and Conversations. Today I'll show you how do I usually divide my cake batter for rainbow cakes. This is my basic eggless cake recipe, vanilla cake, and this is almost 1.6 kg batter. I have already weighed that. I'll be dividing it into 5 colors, and which would be each of 320 grams each. I really like to do it in 5 colors and not all the 7 colors because I do get a good thickness in these 5 colors even if I'm baking a small 1.5 kg cake. So I really like it that there's even if the pan size is 8-inch or a 6-inch or any size, and I feel that this much, the 5 colors precisely gives me a good rainbow look also, and it gives me very good nominal amount of layers, not very thin and not very thick. So I'm dividing into 5 bowls. This is 320 grams each, and then I'll color and flavor them as well. This recipe is very versatile. It doesn't deflates or loses the sponginess while baking, even if it's kept out for so long, because I have only 3 pans and I adjust the baking in these. So for 5 layers, the first two colors that are mixed goes in first, then the third, and then the next 2, because my oven just accommodates 2 8-inch pans at a time. I do love to scrape each and every part of my bowl. I don't like wastage. So excuse me if I'm doing that. The first color is going to be red. No, sorry, yellow. I'll do the yellow first, then I'll do the red. Here I'm using gel colors, and I prefer gel colors, otherwise it changes the texture of the batter. I'm using a flavoring as well. These cakes will be flavored with mango and raspberry. So the purple and the red layer has raspberry. The blue, green and the yellow has mango flavor. I'm using gel colors. Brand is Chef Master. Any gel color would be fine. I'm not favoring any brand, but with me I am having Chef Master. I've recently also tried Pro Gel. Pro Gel is great, very great in giving good bright colors in just a minimal amount. You need to put excess colors, like if you want whatever shade you want, you need to put an extra color because the color fades when you bake. The color fades a little when you bake, so you need to always add an extra amount to it. It's just the opposite with the frosting. In frosting, the color deepens the more you keep. But with the cake batter, when you bake, it fades. So you need to add a more colors in the batter. I do mix in colors. You can use whatever color you have, but I do mix in. Like for green, I'm gonna use only primary color, which is blue and yellow. For purple, I would use pink and blue. I just mix in colors because I stock only primary colors. I'm adding it little by little because it's always better to add a little rather than taking out. You won't be able to do that, so just add little by little to the shade that you want. For pastel rainbow colors, you can use white. It's basically titanium dioxide. All the brands have it. Wilton has it, Sugar Flare has it, Rainbow Dust has it, Chef Master has it. So you can add a bit of white and mix, and that gives you pastel shades for your rainbow cake as well. The pastel shades look so good on a unicorn cake. Now my cake batters are ready. As I told you, I just have minimal pans and my oven accommodates only two 8-inch pans at a time. So I'm going to bake only 2 cakes, which would be red and yellow, which I colored the first. And thanks to my basic eggless vanilla cake recipe, this is very versatile. I'm sorry that I won't be able to share the recipe, but it's very versatile. Even if I'm keeping out for like hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, it will never harden. I mean, I hope you understand what I'm saying. Like when you bake a cake and you keep it outside, you feel that as it bubbles, you might lose the sponginess, but this doesn't happen with this cake. So I'm very glad for that. I'm not worried about lining the pans with parchment, because since they are gonna be not so heighted cakes, I'm okay. They would release with the butter and flour mixture. I mean, I've just done the butter and flour lining. Tap your pans before you put it in the oven. These cakes are baked. The red and yellow ones are already baked. I usually bake the rainbow cakes at a lower temperature than the regular vanilla cake because I don't want any caramelization or browning in the cake sides or top or anywhere. So instead of 180 degrees centigrade, I bake them at 160 degrees centigrade. It might take a little bit longer, and this is how my final look goes. It's with fudge frosting, and I'm happy with the colors. Thanks for watching.